Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have seen inverse trigonometry question number 13. Now let us solve question number 14. What he has asked we will see. Prove that sin inverse 12 by 13 plus cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 63 by 16 is equal to pi. So before solving this question, dear students, we should know two basic properties of inverse trigonometry. Now see here. Which are those? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y whole divided by 1 minus x into y. This property is applied when x into y is less than 1. When x into y value is less than 1, this property is applied. So next one more property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse pi plus tan inverse x plus y whole divided by 1 minus x into y. This property is applied when you know if my x into y is greater than 1. Only the difference between this property and this property is here pi will come, here pi will not come. So this property is applied when you know if my x into y is less than 1. If my x into y is greater than 1, we will apply this property, dear students. So before solving this question, you should know these two properties. So it will help for us to solve the problem. Fine. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied the formulas. So now let us see LHS. Sin inverse 12 by 13 plus cos inverse 4 by plus tan inverse 63 by 16 is there. So now dear students, sin inverse and cos inverse I will convert to what? Tan. So then I will work how to solve the problem. I will show you. So first, before solving, let us consider here A is equal to sin inverse 12 by 13 and B is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5, dear students. Clear? So now see here what will happen. Sin inverse, if you take this side, that will become sin A. Sin inverse, if I take on left side, it will become sin A is equal to 12 by 13, dear students. So next here, similarly cos inverse is there. If you take cos inverse on left side, it will become what? Cos B is equal to 4 by 5, dear students. So now I have to convert this sin to tan, no? So for that I need cos A. Because sin A is there, I have to find here cos A and cos B is given, I have to find what? Sin B. So for finding a cos A, we have a formula, dear students. Now see here. You have already learned this in 10th. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now cos square A is equal to how much here? 1 plus sin square A. If you take that side, it will become minus sin square A, dear students. So cos A value will become how much? Square root of 1 minus sin square A. Square I am sending on this side. So cos A value I got. This formula we will apply here. So now see here. Cos A is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square A, dear students. Clear? So sin A value is I know. So that's why I will substitute here. So cos A value what it will become, you see here. Square root of 1 minus. Sin A value is how much, dear students? Sin A, that is 12 by 13. I will substitute here. 12 by 13 whole square, because sin square is there, dear students. Y square has become, here square is there, here also square has came. So now square both sides here. 12 square is how much? 144. 13 square is how much? 169. Square belongs to 12 also, 13 also. 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. Now cross multiply. 169 into 1, 169 minus 144 divided by how much? 169. If you subtract them, 169 minus 144 is how much? That is 25 and divided by 169, dear students. Clear? So how much you will get here? Cos A. See here, cos A value will become, root belongs to both or not? 25 also, 169 also here. So root 25 is 5, root 169 is 13, dear students. I hope you are understanding. So similarly we will find what? Sin B also. Sin B how to find? See here. Same like formula. Sin square B, just alphabet is changed, dear student. Sin square B plus cos square B is equal to how much? 1. Now sin square B, see here. Cos square B I will take that side because I know the value of cos B, dear students. So I have to find here what? Sin B. So 1 minus cos square B. Square if you send that side, sin B is how much? Square root of 1 minus cos square B, dear students. Clear? So now I will use this formula here. So sin B is equal to how much we will get? We will see. Sin B is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square B. Now sin B is equal to how much? Cos B value you know. Cos B is how much? 4 by 5. You substitute here 4 by 5 whole square. 4 by 5 whole square means what? 4 square is 16. Square belongs to both. 5 square is 25. Now again cross multiply 25 into 1. 25 minus 16 whole divided by 25. 25 1 ja 25 minus 16 is the written here. So 25 minus 16 is how much? That will become 9. 9 divided by 25. So root 9 is how much, dear students? Root belongs to 9 also, 25 also. Root 9 is 3. Root 25 is 5, dear students. So I got the value of sin B also. Then I have to find what here? I have to find what? Tan A. Because I have to convert this sin inverse to tan. And cos inverse to again tan only. So now see. Therefore tan A will become how much? Tan A, dear students, observe. Tan A you have learned in 10th standard. Tan A we can write it as how? That is sin A by cos A, dear students. And sin A is how much? Sin A. Sin A, can you observe how much it is there? 12 by 13. I will substitute here and whole divided by. You can see sin A value is 12 by 13. I am writing there. So now cos A value. Just now we have got here. Cos A value is how much? That is 5 by 13. I will write here 5 by 13. 13, 13 get cancelled. Clear? So therefore tan A value will become how much? 12 by 5, dear students. 12 by 5. Clear? So now similarly we can find what? Tan B also. So before that we will take tan. Tan on left side. If you take that side, right side, what it will become? A is equal to tan inverse 12 by 5, dear students. Clear? A value has become what? Tan inverse 12 by 5. A value is we have taken here what? Sin inverse 12 by 3 or not? I am replacing now A value by tan inverse. We got or not? Similarly, now tan B also you can find. Tan B you can see. Tan B also written as what? Again just alphabet is changed. Even you have learnt in 10th standard also. That is tan B is what? Sin B by cos B, dear students. What is sin B now? Who will say sin B? Sin B is just now we have got it here. That is 3 by 5. I will substitute here 3 by 5. And what is cos B? Cos B value they had only given 4 by 5. 5 get cancelled. So how much you got? That is tan B is equal to 3 by 4, dear students. Clear? So if you take tan on right side, it will become what? B is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4, dear students. Clear? So I hope you have copied this formulas. I will erase this. Now continue. LHS. Now dear students, you can see your LHS. LHS is what? Sin inverse 12 by 13. Sin inverse 12 by 13 is taken as A, no? A value has become what now? Tan inverse 12 by 5. We will keep it here. Tan inverse 12 by 5 plus. Next is what? Cos inverse 4 by 5. Cos inverse 4 by 5 is B. B value has converted to what? Tan inverse 3 by 4, dear students. And what is left last? Tan inverse 63 by 16. You keep it as it is only. Very simple. Clear? Now the problem comes. Tan inverse 12 by 5, tan inverse 3 by 4. Clear? This is looking like how? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Then what formula we can apply? Just now I had discussed with you before starting this solution. Clear? So x into y. X value is what? 12 by 5. Y value is what? 3 by 4. Clear? So how much it will give? 12 3s are 36, 5 4s are 20, which is obviously greater than 1. Yes or no? This value will give greater than 1. If my x into y is greater than 1, what property I have to apply? I had already told you. So I will erase this. We will apply the property now. Please see here. Pi plus, second property I am applying just now. I have told you pi plus, because it is x into y is greater than 1, dear students. So 12 by 5 plus 3 by 4 whole divided by 1 minus 12 by 5 into 3 by 4. Pi plus tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So what is remaining here? Tan inverse 63 by 16 is remains as it is. So now how much you will get? Cross multiplication starts. You know how to cross multiply. 4 into 12, 48, 5 into 3, 15, 5 4s are 20. Now see, minus 12 is there, minus 12. Minus 12 3s are minus 36. 5 4s are 20. 20, we will write 20. This 20 I will cross multiply here with 1. 20 into 1, 20. Whole divided by 20 and bracket close. 20, 20 get cancelled. Here what is remaining? We will write as it is 63 by 16. Now dear students, you observe. Pi plus tan inverse. 48 plus 15 is how much? 63. 20 minus 36 minus 16, dear students. So now see what you will remain with. 63 by 16. Dear students, observe very carefully. Pi is as it is. Tan inverse of minus x, because minus sign is here. Tan inverse of minus x, if you don't know the property, you remember tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x, minus tan inverse x plus tan inverse 63 by 16 remains as it is. Plus minus get cancelled. This is minus or not? This is plus, both are cancelled. What you will remain with? You are remaining with only pi, and you can see your RHS which is pi only. So that's why, hence proved, dear students. See, if you are having any doubts, please comment me. I will explain it once again. So if you are liking the channel, please like it. See, you are observing the video but not liking my channel. Please like. Each like will inspire me for doing the next video. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ.